everybody. My name is Tamy Moyo, aka Tamy, and we are here at HICC for the Nubian Knows concert, headlined by 5 of the best females in this country who are killing it, who are bringing 110% to the stage. All I can promise you is my best tonight. I've got a few surprises up my sleeve. I look forward to seeing your beautiful faces. I look forward to singing along with you. I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's come out and appreciated this very worthy cause. I think why tonight is very special because it's history in the making. It's the first of its kind. It's us female taking up space without apologizing for it. It's us creating our own platforms without begging to be on other platforms. And what's even better is that we have the support of our brothers tonight, which makes it even better. So Nubian Notes is a special event, and it's going to be happening annually, hopefully from here. So this is the first of many to come. Make sure you are tuned in because it's going to be a good show tonight. I think it had been long overdue. These are conversations we've been having as female artists behind closed doors whenever we interact and meet. But I'd like to give a special thanks to the powerhouse that is Corny's events. She put everything together with the help of fellow sisters like myself, the incredible females who are on this lineup. But I think it's a group effort with a mighty brain behind it. Yeah.
What would be your advice, and can you extend an invitation to other female artists?
Yes.
To join the bandwagon?
Yes, definitely. This is the first of many to come. Like I said, all I want to say to other female artists out there, keep persevering, keep being consistent, keep showing up at your 110%. Even if you're performing for 5 people, 2 people, 10,000 people, bring 100% energy. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Keep dreaming, keep aiming for the sky, and be authentic, be true to who you are. There's only one you, and the world wants to know your story, so keep at it. Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you so much.